So you're trying to load a website, and instead of the page you actually want, you're staring at some version of a Cloudflare error. Maybe it says checking your browser, maybe it says you've been blocked, or maybe you're seeing a specific error code sitting there with no real explanation. This happens constantly across the internet because Cloudflare sits in front of a huge chunk of all websites out there, acting as a security and performance layer. And when something in that chain hiccups, you end up staring at their error page instead of the site itself. The good news is that most of these errors are fixable from your end in just a couple of minutes, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what to try in the order that actually works. Before diving into fixes, it helps to understand what's actually happening here because it changes how you troubleshoot. Cloudflare isn't the website itself. It's a service that sits between you and the site's actual server, checking your connection for security threats, filtering out bots, and speeding up how quickly pages load. When you see a Cloudflare error page specifically, meaning it's got Cloudflare's own branding and usually a string of letters and numbers called a Ray ID at the bottom, that tells you the problem is happening somewhere in that middle layer, either on your end, on Cloudflare's end, or with how the site owner has their security settings configured. If instead you're seeing a plain white error page or the website's own branded error rather than anything mentioning Cloudflare, that's actually a different issue coming from the site's own server, and none of these fixes will help with that particular situation. Let's start with the easiest and most commonly effective fix, which is dealing with your browser's cached data. Cloudflare frequently shows what's called a challenge page, basically a quick verification screen checking that you're a real visitor and not a bot. And sometimes your browser holds on to an old, broken version of that challenge page in its cache, causing it to load incorrectly every time you visit. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then fully close the browser and reopen it before trying the site again. On most browsers, you can get to this quickly by opening Settings and searching for Privacy or Clear Browsing Data, then making sure both cached images and files, along with cookies, are selected before you clear them. If that doesn't fix it, browser extensions are the next major culprit, especially anything related to privacy, ad blocking, or VPN functionality built directly into the browser. These tools often interfere with the exact verification process Cloudflare uses to confirm you're a legitimate visitor, which ends up triggering the block instead of preventing it. Try disabling all of your extensions temporarily, not just the ones you suspect, and reload the page. If the site loads fine with everything disabled, turn your extensions back on one at a time, reloading the site after each one until you find the specific extension causing the conflict. Speaking of VPNs, if you're using one, whether it's a dedicated VPN app or a proxy service, try turning it off completely and reloading the site directly. Cloudflare's security systems flag traffic coming from certain VPN and proxy IP addresses more aggressively than regular residential connections, since those same IP ranges get used by actual bots and bad actors constantly. So even though you're a completely legitimate visitor, your connection can get caught in that wider net. If you specifically need a VPN for other reasons, try switching to a different server location within the VPN app, since sometimes it's a specific IP address or region that's flagged, rather than VPN usage in general. Next, make sure JavaScript and cookies are actually enabled in your browser, since Cloudflare's verification checks rely on both of these being active to confirm you're using a real browser rather than an automated script. Head into your browser's site permissions or privacy settings and confirm neither of these has been disabled, whether by you directly or by another extension or setting changing it in the background. If you're still stuck after all of that, try a completely different browser altogether, one you don't normally use with any extensions installed on it. This helps you figure out quickly whether the issue is something specific to your regular browser's configuration or something happening further upstream that would affect any browser equally. While you're at it, if you're on a phone or tablet and using an app rather than a mobile browser to access the site, try reinstalling that app, since outdated versions sometimes carry outdated methods of handling these security checks that no longer play nicely with current Cloudflare configurations. It's also worth trying a different network entirely if you've got the option. Switch from Wi-Fi to your mobile data, Or if you're already on mobile data, try connecting to Wi-Fi instead. This works because it changes your IP address completely, and if the specific IP address your internet provider or network was using happened to be flagged for any reason, whether fairly or not, switching networks routes around that issue entirely. Now, if you've worked through every fix above and you're still hitting a wall, there's a chance the problem isn't actually on your end at all, but rather with Cloudflare's broader infrastructure or with how the specific site has configured their own security settings. Cloudflare handles a massive percentage of all web traffic globally, and when their systems experience any kind of disruption, it can affect huge numbers of completely unrelated websites all at once, sometimes for an hour or more before things get resolved. If you're seeing this error across multiple different websites at the same time, not just one specific site, that's usually the tell that something bigger is going on, rather than an issue specific to your setup. And in that case, there's genuinely nothing to fix on your side. You just have to wait it out. It's worth knowing how to quickly check whether a wider outage is actually happening rather than just guessing. Search for the site's name along with the word down, or check a general outage tracking site, since these tend to light up fast whenever a major disruption hits, and you'll often see other people reporting the exact same issue within minutes of it starting. Social media searches work well for this too, since people tend to post about wide-scale outages almost immediately, and seeing a flood of similar complaints from completely unrelated accounts is a pretty reliable sign you're dealing with something outside your control rather than a local problem. It's also worth understanding a bit about the different error codes you might run into, since they don't all mean the same thing, even though they all show up wrapped in that same Cloudflare branded page. Errors in the 500 range, like 520, 521, or 522, generally point to a problem between Cloudflare and the site's actual server, meaning the server either didn't respond correctly or didn't respond at all, and this is squarely something only the site owner can fix on their end, since it has nothing to do with your browser, network, or extensions. Errors in the 1000 range tend to relate more to configuration issues with how the site has set up their Cloudflare settings. Again, something outside of your control entirely. If you ever want to know specifically which type of error you're looking at, that Ray ID at the bottom of the error page is genuinely useful, not for you to decode yourself, but as something you can pass along to the website owner or their support team if you're trying to report the issue, since it lets them look up exactly what happened on their side within Cloudflare's own logs. If you happen to run a website yourself and you're the one seeing these errors on your own domain rather than as a visitor, the troubleshooting path looks a little different, and it's worth mentioning briefly. In that case, the fix is usually nothing to do with your browser at all, but rather your Cloudflare dashboard settings, specifically your SSL and TLS encryption mode, your DNS records pointing to the correct server IP address, or firewall rules that might be unintentionally blocking legitimate visitors. If that's the situation you're actually in, Cloudflare's own support documentation covers those server-side fixes in much more depth than a general visitor troubleshooting guide like this one really needs. One last thing worth understanding: if none of this works and the block persists specifically on one website, it may simply be that the site's owner has configured their security settings in a way that's specifically restricting access from your region, network, or the type of connection you're using. And unfortunately, that's a decision made entirely on their end, rather than something fixable through your own browser or network settings. That covers pretty much every practical fix worth trying for a Cloudflare error, starting with the simple stuff like clearing cache and disabling extensions, all the way through switching networks and browsers when needed. Work through these in order, and you should be back to browsing normally in just a few minutes. If this helped you get past that annoying error screen, drop a like. It genuinely helps this video reach other people running into the exact same wall, and subscribe if you want more straightforward tech fixes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.